Genevagi Palias Destination the Pangthokpa Yankai Taret Laksuba UNHRC gi session ge Kuntaruk Suba Miphamda Manipur gi Hauzik Thoktiba Irang Amadi Awang Nungpok Lamdam gi Ngamkai gi Matangda Wafum Kaya Khananai Nakre Manipur, Assam, Bangladesh Amadi Myanmar Thokliba Irang gi Maramda Tongan ba NGO Singdige Wangangloi Ahumna Marik Jumna Wafam Sing Thamki Wangangloi Shingi Manungda session ta asida saruk yakiba International Peace and Social Advancement IPS igi working president Khuraizam Athouba human rights situations that require the council's attention haiba hiramda wangangkhre mahakna phongdokhibada hauzik Manipur do oiriba charangnaba fibam asi numit chaungani surakadore yelahomi singda aki tuzungba pokhanduna leiri India lenga ka santi gi wari sanariba Chingsinkhre narco terrorist group ki khutlai paiba singna makhal makha kaya gi afabu khutlai sizinaduna drone bombing tawduna kilometer taret sanba rocket kapsinduna Miphamda landarak paleptri land asi level amada tawduna micham kayami simina amadi yumkai atik akai thokpa yawhalakli Manipur Unified Command gi chairman nasu Indo-Myanmar border plansin laktuna kuki militant samapan lomna micham singda landarakna ba poram yatpa loikre haina phongdoki balaikre India gi security force lising humfurom state asida lairibani lainga ki thabak thoramda thausa na lairi Hauzik Manipur gi yelhomi shink lanfa oina leibaga manarakle Irang asi regional crisis khaknate masida human rights khongaunari amadi Western Southeast Asia region da lairiba miyoisingda akiba piri Maram Singh asina United Nations na Manipur gi irang asida meeting sangbiduna state asida tangdu laitaba puraknaba mateng pangbiu haiki India lengak na ngasi fawba ngamdana lakliba yelhomi singak shenbagi thabakta UN na khut thingzinbiu irang na sokhalaba mafam asida special reporters amadi mandate officer amana yengsinbiu khutlai paiba immigrant narco terrorist na piriba threat asi munna khanabiu makhata na tawruktanaba matiksaba ekhanno khatbiu awang nokpok lamdamda tangdu laitaba shanti hanjilaknaba Athouba Malemgi mateng pangbiu haina Athouba na Pukning Chingsinkhre
Chingsinkhre narco-terrorist groups who are under peace talks with the government of India have launched violent attacks using drone bombings and rockets from as far as 7 kilometers away. The situation has escalated to a different level, targeting civilian areas resulting in several deaths and destruction of properties. Recent alerts reported by the chairman of the Unified Command confirms that approximately 900 Kuki militants have infiltrated Manipur from across the Indo-Myanmar border, planning coordinated assaults against the native population. Despite the deployment of over 60,000 Indian troops in the region, there has been little effective action, raising concerns of government complicity and an apparent prioritization of geopolitical interests over the security of its own native citizens. Manipur's indigenous people are now trapped in a hostage-like situation caught between escalating violence and ineffective state protection. This is not just a regional crisis, it is a grave human rights emergency with far-reaching implications threatening the very existence of one of the oldest civilizations in Southeast Asia. We urge this council to intervene to protect the native people of Manipur where the Indian government has failed till date, to assign relevant mandate office and special rapporteurs to assess the ever-deteriorating situations in the region, and also to recognize the threat of immigrant armed narco-terrorism and take necessary actions to stop it from spiraling further. We urgently seek your immediate attention. Thank you.